Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, with another video, guys. Today we're gonna make the video quick. As you guys can see, I'm just coming from watching Colombia win the game today 4-0. The game was good. You know what I'm saying? I was cheering. Everything was good. We won the game. And I also look like I got some sun from being out there in the sun. But I mean, overall it was fun. Guys, let's get down to business, okay? Channel is doing awesome. We have what's that, 1,480 something plus subscribers. We're on the road to 1,500 and then 2,000, yeah, and 200,000. Who knows? We're gonna get there eventually, right? It's all growing process, growing pain, guys. Okay, guys, remember, right? This channel, we do investment videos, and this investment videos is all about me, my portfolio, okay, what I'm investing in. So if you decide to follow this portfolio, do it at your own risk, okay? This is not financial advice. It's just a guide of what I'm doing and show you guys what I'm doing. Maybe that will help you out, but it's not financial advice, okay, guys? So let's get right into the video. All right, guys, so as you can see, the market today, it was kind of crazy. It started down in the morning, and then when I got ready to stop buying, it started like getting, going from red to green, and then so I had to leave to go to the game at around 12. The game started at 3:30. Well, I had to leave here about 12. Well, I ended up leaving here about 1. So between that time, I was over here trying to figure out, okay, do I buy some shares? Do I not buy some shares? Anyway, I got to have it. Whatever I got came in, I spent some money. But let's look at the portfolio. So I didn't buy anything here. So whatever that was bought in here was bought off for, drips. Okay. So as you can see, we went down by $3, and that was due to the maintenance, the platform fee that was deducted from the portfolio. But we already made that already. So whatever was deducted was money that was already made. So next month, I'm thinking we're gonna be up a little bit more. So when they make that deduction, when the funds come in and they make the deduction, we'll see how it's gonna go. But overall, the portfolios are all doing good. I mean, this one over here, RYLD is the only one that's down a little bit, and everything else looks good, right? Tesla is also down, but all of the other portfolio, all of the other positions in the portfolio look great. All right, let's get to Robinhood. So my crypto is down a little bit, right? It was up earlier today, but then it started to drop again. But overall, it's still doing decent. And most of these was red today before I left, and now that I'm back, most of them are still red. We got a few greens in between, but most of them are still red. I didn't really buy anything here because, as you can see, I didn't have any money. We spent all the money. And this portfolio here is not on margins, so I can spend all of the money that come in. I don't have to wait. I do have some cash coming in. Hopefully by Friday. I don't know how the market is going to look on Friday, but if it comes by Friday and we have another red day, of course, you know what your boy going to be doing. I'm going to be buying. So we pulled some money from the other account. Let's go to E-Trade. E-Trade is doing decent. Overall, the portfolio is in the green, even though we got a few reds. But overall, the portfolio is in the green. So I cannot complain. And I got to put some more money into this portfolio. All the money I put in there, I spend. And I mean, we could get a margin call anytime in this portfolio. But I spend, and it's not that much. So whatever it is, it's going to be easy to add money to it. So I'm not worried about this at all. It's still a new portfolio. I'm thinking about canceling the margins of this portfolio so I can have 2 portfolios that's not on margins. But what I decided to do, my portfolio in Moomoo, what I decided to do is just sell the positions that I have in Moomoo, which were free stocks anyway. I'm gonna sell those and then invest that into high yield and see how it goes. And then that might be another portfolio to put into, with high yield. So another portfolio can be coming aboard soon. And I'm not going to pop people a lot of positions. I might have just maybe 6 to 8 positions all high yield. I'm not even gonna add any core positions in there. If I do, I might add maybe two, and this will be maybe JEPI and JEPQ, and then I would do SY. What is it called? SY something. I can think of the last, and then the GPIX. Maybe I'll do two or four, and then have my high yield in there. I don't know if I'm gonna do YMAX and YMAG. I might just do IWMY and QQQY. I think I'll do those two as the weekly, and then have four regular that come in during the week, first, second, third, fourth week, like that, and that'll be it. I mean, those other positions, the GPIX and JEP, JEPQ, those are not like bad. The yield at up 7-8%, so that's good. I'll do that, and we move on. Okay, guys. So let's get to the next. All right. So this was down. I don't remember if it was down more than this before I left. But I mean, I can't complain. You guys know I pulled like 8,000 out of this portfolio already. That some of that money was used to invest in Robinhood and to invest into E-Trade. But I mean, the portfolio looking all right. I mean, today's a red day. Look at how much we're down. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I got a few things in here that can use some attention. Tesla. I'm thinking I might have to buy, even if a Tesla is going up. I don't care, because I bought at 14%, at $14, and I'm down. That's $3 different, right? Even though I got like 20,000 up in here, right? Well, 17,000, and now that's down to 14. So I need to buy. I'm gonna have to buy a lot more to make up that difference. But it is what it is. I would have to spend some money, and I don't want to spend everything else. Maybe I put 10 grand, 10,000 more into that, and see, bring the cost down. I don't know. We'll see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Since I'm gonna be in front of the computer, I don't have to leave to go anywhere. We'll see. Yeah, I mean, that's about it here. I mean, what else can I tell you guys? It's not too much to see. Today's video is going to be really short, because your boy, I didn't have time to really go through all of these like I usually do before I make these videos. Let's get into it. So today I spent some money in here. I know I don't usually cover my growth portfolio, but I spent a little bit of money in here. We're down yesterday about 0.21%. Excuse me. Overall, today 1.21%. I mean, it's not bad. The portfolio is not a big portfolio, right? $20-some thousand. Now this is like my growth portfolio. I'm not going to show you guys what's in there right now, but that's my growth portfolio. Let's get back over here. So yesterday we came back and made up for the loss on Friday, I believe. Well, we were down Friday. But I mean today, we're down today, but yesterday we made up for the loss over the weekend, Friday, last week. But of course, back down today, 0.48%, 48%. So I don't know. Sometimes I look at these things and I'm like, okay, we down. And the first thing that comes to my mind, like, man, I need more money. I need more margins. I need more money to spend. So, I mean, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but like I told you guys, I'm thinking about moving this portfolio to E-Trade. Not this one, the chart swap portfolio. I'm thinking about moving that to E-Trade. I know I was going to wait till next year, but I don't know. I might have to do it. I might have to do it now, because I need money to invest. right? And if I move it, of course, I'm gonna have some change to invest. But for now, I mean, it is what it is. I'm not gonna be too greedy. Um, so guys, the overall income, the overall annual income went up a little bit, and I'm happy about that. Now, the one thing, when I tried to do some updates in Charles Schwab today, and they were saying, and in Fidelity, they were saying something about something was not available or some update. So I don't know if if everything is updated. Even in my other app, right? When I went to do the update, it won't let me update. The update show like 24 hours, 9 hours. I'm like, why these things don't sync? You know, it's so frustrating when these apps not syncing right. So I had to manually go in and try to sync it. But still, I don't know, you know, if it's doing what it's supposed to do. Because when I look at the income, the other app showing 12,000, and this one is showing 8,000. So something got to be wrong in there, because it's showing all of the funds that is supposed to be coming in. And this one, it was at 13, and then it dropped down. So I don't know, but like I said, I'm too lazy to be calculating this stuff. As you guys can see, I'm tired today. I've been out in the sun, got a little bit of tan. But I mean, overall, I'm happy with the portfolio, so I can't complain. Overall, I'm happy with the portfolio, and we're gonna go to our big ball money here. The big ball money, and you can see we're at 1.2 million, $1.2 million $66. That's amazing. $66,000. Well, I guess $60. That's amazing. We are like 10 years. We're gonna be millionaire before that 10 years come, right? Because when I was checking my portfolio today, and I mean my net worth. Sorry, I was checking my net worth today, and it's like it updated, and it was like, I was like, really? Where all this money coming from? You know, where all this money coming from that's making the portfolio, my net worth to be like higher, right? So I mean, if everything continued to be going up, I mean, it goes up, it drops a little bit, and it goes up. So if everything continues to go like it's going, I mean, I know the other Fidelity account is almost at 100,000, right? This one right here, my Roth, is almost at 100,000, and that's a lot of that's from growth, because I haven't put any money in there since the early part of the year. So everything that this portfolio have done is all from dividend reinvestment and growth. So I'm thinking, I mean, for this month, the next couple of months with dividend, this portfolio should be at 100,000. And then if we get some growth, definitely, I think that account should hit 100,000 in my Roth. Now, that is amazing. I know I don't show you guys my Roth, but if it hit 100,000, I will show you guys what's in my Roth. And a lot of the stuff in my Roth is what in my individual account. So I might have maybe 2 or 3 high yield, but not what you think in there. I've been thinking about selling and buying something else, but you know, it is what it is. For now, I'm just gonna leave it alone, and we're gonna keep doing what we're doing. So I mean, ending of this year, this thing is saying, well, I guess annually, for now, we still got 2 more months to go, and then next year, and the year after, and the year after. So this is where we're gonna be. I know I talk about this every day. I get excited, but like right now, I don't look excited, but I am excited just looking at that. And I'll look at this earlier before I start the video. But I mean, guys, I'm not gonna make this video long. Remember, guys, I'm just doing a quick overview of what happened today in the market. We did buy a few things, but there's no need to be showing you guys that, right? I said I bought it. But remember, guys, invest in your future. There's nobody gonna do it for you. Open up your account, check out the Discord, see what's going on in the Discord. I've been posting a little bit more in the Discord, different things, different articles, different whatever, stuff that you guys can use. Maybe, I don't know. I posted some portfolios in there that can help. Not high yield, but lower yield stuff, but good stuff. You can do your own research. I posted that in there a couple of days ago. And I mean, that's about it, guys. So I'm not going to make this video too long. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Tomorrow is hump day. Tomorrow is the busiest day of the week for me. And we will do it again tomorrow. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Peace.